Hi everyone, Kelly here, the Mindful Herbalist, and today we are making an evergreen citrus vinegar spray made from sprigs from what's left of my Christmas tree. If you have any evergreens laying around, all you need to do is chop some up, and you want some of that woody part because there's a lot of fragrance in there. And for the citrus, I'm using pomelo here. I bought one at the store the other day, wanted to give it a try. Still haven't tried it, but I thought for now I can use the peel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop that up. I also have a leftover lemon in the fridge, so I'm using some of that peel as well. I'm gonna add that into my blender. And I'm just gonna add some white vinegar, filling this jar to the top. And I'm also going to add a few cloves. I love the scent of cloves, and they bring a nice antibacterial property as well. And so I've got a great aromatic blend here. You can use any type of citrus and honestly any plant matter that has volatile oils, because the vinegar, once I chop this up, is going to capture all of those volatile essential oils that give the scent and also the antimicrobial, antibacterial properties that we want in a cleaning vinegar. So I'm just going to put that in a glass jar, label it, because I want this to sit for 6 weeks, and I want to shake it every day if I can. So I'm going to put it in a cool, dark place that I know I'm going to visit every day to shake. And after 6 weeks, I'm just going to go ahead and strain away the plant matter. I'm going to press it to make sure I get all of that wonderfully infused liquid. And I'm just going to retain this liquid, adding just a little bit to a cleaning spray bottle. And I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle with some good, clean, filtered water. And what I have is a beautifully scented, all-purpose vinegar cleaning spray. And you can use this on your wood tables or in your bathroom. I wouldn't use it on granite because vinegar does tend to break down minerals, so your granite countertop wouldn't be ideal for this. But this is a great way to put your evergreens and leftover citrus peels to good use once you are done enjoying them for the holidays. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and feel free to give my website a visit for more educational videos like this one.